Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious baba ganoush using an easy method. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Take one large eggplant and pierce its skin about 5 to 6 times with a fork. This prevents it from bursting while cooking. Roast the eggplant for 30 to 45 minutes until it is completely soft and the skin is nicely charred, giving it that essential smoky flavor. Once your eggplant is cool enough to handle, carefully slice it in half lengthwise. Using a spoon, gently scoop out all of the tender, cooked flesh, leaving behind the charred skin. It's important to discard any tough or overly burnt pieces. Place the scooped flesh into a fine mesh sieve set over a bowl for about 10 minutes to drain any excess liquid. This step is crucial for achieving a wonderfully creamy, not watery baba ganoush. Now, transfer the drained eggplant flesh into a food processor. Add about 1/4 cup of tahini, the juice of 1 small lemon, and 1 clove of minced garlic. Season with a half teaspoon of salt and a dash of extra virgin olive oil. Process these ingredients until the mixture becomes wonderfully smooth and creamy. You might need to scrape down the sides once or twice to ensure everything is well combined. Finally, transfer your freshly made baba ganoush into a beautiful serving bowl. Create a small swirl on top with the back of a spoon, then generously drizzle with about 1 tablespoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. For a vibrant finish, garnish with some freshly chopped parsley or a light sprinkle of smoked paprika. Serve this delightful dip with warm pita bread, fresh vegetables, or as part of a mezz platter. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.